The Apple Watch Series 10 is a powerful watch and the latest and greatest piece of wearable tech from Apple. Thinking of getting one as your first Apple Watch or replacing an older model? Here's 10 things you need to know about the Apple Watch Series 10. Number 1. It's got the biggest screen ever. The 46mm Series 10 has a 3% larger screen than the 49mm Apple Watch Ultra. It's all to do with the way the screen curves around the watch. A first for Apple. You can see an extra line of text, and new watch faces take advantage of that massive screen real estate. Number 2. It's designed for angles. That curved screen means it's up to 40% brighter when viewed at an angle. It's perfect for being super visible when glancing at the watch face briefly during a workout, or glancing down at the always-on display while you go about your business. Number 3. New colors. The new Apple Watch features an all-new color lineup of jet black, rose gold, and silver aluminium. Number 4. It's lighter. As well as the new colors featuring an aluminium shine, the body is now all in polished aluminium too, which is 10% lighter than previous generations. Number 5. Photos. AI has made its way to Apple Watch in the form of Photos, a watchOS 11 face designed to use machine learning to pick just the right photograph to fill the Series 10's huge frame. This is also available on older watches. Number 6. You can play media. As well as taking and receiving calls on wrist, with a re-engineered speaker system, you can finally play audio files directly from your Apple Watch. Who needs AirPods anyway? Number 7. It's great for the beach. Previously ultra-exclusive workout apps like Depth for diving and the third-party Oceanic Plus app are coming to the mainline Apple Watch Series 10. While it's not suitable for deep-sea scuba, the Series 10 is now ideal for snorkeling, while the new Tides app can help predict and improve conditions for fishing, surfing, snorkeling, and more. Number 8. It can tell if you have sleep apnea. The Series 10 is able to monitor your sleep and check for signs of sleep apnea, or restricted airways during sleep. Apple has marketed its new sleep apnea detection ability as a key new Series 10 feature, but it's actually coming to the Series 9 and Ultra 2 as well by way of watchOS 11. Number 9. The price. You can buy it from $399 in the US, £399 in the UK, and 649 Australian dollars in, well, Australia. Number 10. The verdict. After a week with the Apple Watch Series 10, it's clear that looks might be familiar, but a larger screen with much better viewing angles and a slimmer overall build make for a comfortable watch that feels more expansive than ever before. We rated it 4 stars out of 5.